Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing something different from what I usually do, and I might turn this into a series, depends on how you guys like it. But I decided to do like a little chit chat talkative video, and about last week I posted something on Instagram talking about how one day I'm just going to talk about the struggles the Nigerian bloggers face, and I'm going to do that in the video instead of typing it and writing it in my blog. So you guys were like, yeah, do it, let them know. And for people that would like to come up as bloggers in Nigeria, would also like to know the struggles, and it's just like putting our struggles into light so people can know what we go through. Little disclaimer before I start, I am speaking for myself. I don't know what everybody else go through. I don't know how everybody else, maybe I'll be smacking a lot because I can't talk for so long without swallowing. Anyway, I don't know what everybody else go through, but this is what I go through as a blogger in Nigeria. Also, I am talking about bloggers living in Nigeria. If you would like to see me highlight some issues we go through as bloggers, keep on watching the video. Guys, I made a little list on what I will be talking about because I don't want to forget something. So I decided to just like jot down, not a list, like just a rough like sketch of what I'll be talking about. So I just like wrote some things in like. So I'll just refer back to my notes that I scribbled down, and I'll just like talk about it. So let's get into this and get into the tea. We all know that Nigeria is hard, and it's a struggle, and it's Nigeria. Like, we know, like, everybody that lives here know how hard it can be here. So if you want to be a blogger, and if you choose to be a blogger, and you're like, mom, this is what do you want to be? Oh, I've decided to be a blogger. Your friends look at you like you're crazy. They're going to look at you like you don't know what you're saying. They don't even know what blogging is. So you have to explain what blogging is. You have to explain what you're doing. So your parents taking you to primary school and to like secondary school and uni is an investment, especially people that are living here and then they have to struggle and like make sure they take all their kids to school. They don't want any of their children to come and say, I want to be a blogger, and that is because they're like, where is the money coming from? And even if this is the age of social media and blogging is now growing, it's still like something new to our parents and people of that age. So you still have to explain. My dad is just starting to understand what it is to actually blog, because when I went to Abuja 2 days ago, and then he called me like, what are you going for? And I'm like, I have like a job because they want to put something on my blog and I have to go and take pictures for them. And he was like, okay. Like, he's starting to understand what I am doing because he has Instagram, and he's starting to understand like what Instagram is. We have to deal with this whole craziness about people not understanding what blogging is, people not taking us seriously, and people not even knowing like what we're doing. So we have to explain all the time. The weather, let's talk about the weather now. But because we don't have the regulation on when like to burn things, when the trucks are going to pass, the cars are bringing out fumes, everything is a mess, and then the weather has this darkness. It's darkness. I don't know what it's dark. Has to be darkness. Because when you travel and then you take pictures, and you really do not have to spend almost an hour trying to edit your pictures because they already come out nice. But here, there's you, there's the humidity, there's the darkness and the shadow, then there's your camera. So imagine taking a picture and you have all these invisible barriers between you and the camera, and then the pictures are not clear. They will be so dusty. They will be dusty as hell. And then you're trying to edit your pictures. So at least it can look a bit like you're in the UK. That's the problem now. One thing to have nice clothes, is one thing to have a camera, but if your picture quality is not nice, if it's not banging, nobody is looking at it. So imagine you have all these barriers in your front, and then you're trying to take pictures, and you clear your camera lens. It's not your camera lens, it's not the lens, that's not the fault, is the weather. The weather is the problem at this point. So I feel like that's one of my biggest issues. Has to be, it's annoying as hell. Our weather is so not our weather, our environment. We should really, really, really have to be like number one country in the whole like global warming thing. We have to be there present. This is ridiculous. Also, it doesn't make any sense, and I think it doesn't just happen in Nigeria. It happens in a lot of African countries. What is the problem with establishments and cameras? Why did you build this place like this if you don't want people to see it and take pictures? And because they don't know what blogging is, this one picture can make a lot of people come to your dead ass establishment that nobody even comes to in the first place. That's what I don't understand. I don't understand two things. I don't understand why people bounce people from places. I don't understand why people don't let people take pictures with their camera in places. They even try to get a drink and everything. You have to caress them into the you're taking pictures. You just buy a drink, sit down, relax, just be looking at the security guy, be watching his moves, so you know when to just quickly take pictures, and then you know when to just say, okay, I'm done. It's just ridiculous. Like, not at the hotel like managers, it's the security guards that do it. The people that are there to like open the gates and all, they're the ones to just put it in their mind that camera, no, it's the camera. Am I holding a bomb? Let bloggers take their pictures wherever they want to take their pictures. I will take my pictures. I will take it so much that before you will come out, I've taken 20. So I'm looking at you while you're coming. I will not stop taking my pictures till you get to my front. I already know where you're coming to tell me, but I will take it. Before you get here to this place, I've taken like 40. You can't do me anything. Okay, so it's public knowledge that we all have like shipping problems. Most brands don't ship to Nigeria. It's public knowledge. I've tried to work my way around it, but not a lot of people have the means to ship through like an intermediary, like a company in between. They have to ship directly to them, and even the shipping cost is crazy. I don't know what we did to the rest of the world. I want to be able to shop things and it to come down directly to us. We don't want to have to start thinking about things to shop. We don't want to have to start sending it through a shipping company, a personal shopper. It is really annoying, and that's like one of my biggest problems. If I see a company that ships directly down here, I get really excited. I usually just put this like red flag in front of brands, international brands that want to work with us here because of the shipping. Got something sent by a Habitus and it never got to me, it got missing, and then the brands will look at you like you collected the item and you don't want to do it. But I never got it, and then it's not my fault that I didn't get it, but they won't understand because they spend so much money sending down to you their products for free. But it's not our fault. I don't know. I hope they work on that eventually. I hope brands open up more to shipping. I don't mind paying $20 for international ship, £20, yeah, for the international shipping, because I know that it's going to get to me. But if I have to pay $10 or $15 to send it down to somebody in the US and then send it back here, it's just crazy to me. This one is just, I'm just going to have to relax to talk about. Nigerian brands don't know how to work with people. And you don't realize that there's nothing that can help your brand in this 2018, in this like social media age, than bloggers. Instagram will help you to sell. Yeah, Instagram is like the number one, but the tools you have that you don't realize is bloggers. You guys put bloggers like in like the last they don't acknowledge the fact that we will bring you sales. And bloggers build relationships with their followers, so they have this like, it's not a personal relationship, but they have like a mutual trust between them and their followers, and people will buy what they are selling. You don't realize, brands, that people will buy what bloggers are selling. Because I feel like they know at the end of the day, a lot of bloggers review things, and they have done things, and they have reviewed things that their followers have tried, and it has worked for them. So why another follower will be like, she's reviewing this thing now, since that one worked for me, maybe I should try this and see. Like, it's a mutual trust, especially when you are very truthful with your brand. with the brands you work with. But Nigerian brands will not. Nigerian brands will expect to send you things for free and expect you to wear it, and they're like, we're giving you for free, so you might as well wear it, take pictures and tag us, and they'll even be rude on it. That's the thing. I had rather stay and not work with anybody than work with a brand that think they're doing me a favor by giving me your clothes to wear. I will not work with you. It baffles me that you want to make money off these people by giving them your things to wear, but you don't want to pay them for their services. And they're like, is it not just pictures you're taking? Go outside and take the pictures. Like, it is so annoying. Like, you say, okay, cool, it's just picture, but you're not just standing and wearing the clothes and taking pictures. Okay, why didn't you just go outside and wear the clothes and take pictures? Why are you giving me the clothes? Like, it is annoying. I'd rather work with like 2 international brands than come here and work with brands that will treat you like shit because you're giving. Never again work for free, ever again, in this Nigeria. So if you think I don't deserve you to pay me to wear your thing, please don't give me your things to wear. I will not accept it. If you're ready to pay and treat me like a human being that is not just going outside to take pictures, then I'll wear your stuff. And it's so annoying because they don't send emails. Some will even send you a DM and say, hi, I sell clothes, I would like to send you one so you can wear it and post it and tag us. Thanks. I'll just ignore it. No, these days when people just send me emails, I just say, okay, cool, nice, I'll just send you my wrist card. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. I will not work for you. Anyway, you're not making those clothes and you're not selling it for free, because if I refer somebody to you, you're going to make money. The least you're going to do is maybe just say, okay, we can do like a percentage, like do some kind of deals, work with the blogger, like do some kind of deals with them and say, okay, we can do 10%. Like if you give them a discount code, wherever 10% you get the 10%. Like, that is how brands work. They don't just say, okay, take for free, and if you give me for free, and then I will accept it, but I will wear it on my own terms, you know. So I try to just make it clear that, see, you're giving me this thing doesn't mean I'm going to wear it for you and tag you, unless I really like it, and then it's working for me, and then I'll tag you. If not, brands don't want to pay bloggers. Pay bloggers, pay them their money. They deserve it. They are working for it. Pay bloggers what they deserve. Brands, Nigerian brands, pay bloggers what they deserve. I don't want to dig deep into this because when I start, I talk a lot, I talk too much, so I don't want to dig deep. I don't know what fashion industry in this day and age will not pay attention to bloggers. What fashion industry, apart from Nigerian fashion industry, in this day and age will not pay attention to bloggers? It baffles the hell out of me. We are the ones that will take our time, post it on Insta story, we wear our outfit, we buy our outfit with all our cash, buy it, iron it for 1 week, wear it, take pictures. Nobody knows what you're doing fashion week. Nobody is hearing that you're doing. Nobody knows you're doing anything. Regular people do not give a shit about fashion week. They don't know that you're doing fashion week. The people that make people want to hear about fashion week are the bloggers, because they're the ones that people look forward to what they are wearing. They take pictures and they create this natural hype that fashion week is supposed to have because bloggers are there. But no, they will put us at the 5th row and they're like, whatever seat you want to find, and then they give some people the tags to stay there, and then some people, I had to buy last year, I had to buy tickets, and tickets are not cheap, and then I bought them, and then that's after buying tickets, I have to stay on like the 4th row of the day. We're the ones creating this buzz on your shit. We're the ones that are hyping it. So if bloggers decide to not go to your shit, it ain't shit at the end of it. We're not begging people to give us money. We're not begging for anything. We're not begging for anything. The only thing we need to get is inclusivity in the fashion industry in this country. Like, include us in shit. I have so many things to talk about, but because it's like these are the things that I don't want the videos to be so long, I'll probably do it like as a series. I'll probably talk about it. I'll do like 2.0 or something, but because these are the things that are very important, that's why I'm just going to talk about a few things. Not surviving on blogging. So if you're a teacher, or you're a doctor, or you went to school to be a nurse, or you went to school to be a lawyer, just be a lawyer, be a blogger by the side. And I'm saying it because we cannot make a living off blogging. Like, it's public knowledge now, we all know bloggers don't make livings off blogging. You have to make a living. You have to have something extra that you do to make a living. If not, we'll just be bums and we'll be homeless and we will not have clothes. Because if you say you want to work with blogging and you want to make a living, it's not possible. In Nigeria, you cannot make a living in blogging. I'm telling you now. In Nigeria, unless you've gotten to a certain stage where you don't have to do so many things and brands will flood you. If not, you cannot make a living through blogging. The way I made a living is through my brand, and that's why I usually and then they give my brand more attention, because that's where I'm eating from. Like, that's where I'm surviving from. And it's not. I know that it's usually a crossover from having more down to Laura, but my brand is very important, and that's not because I don't like blogging. I'm upset. I love blogging so much. I really want to blog for the rest of my life, but I really want to do only blogging if I can make a living off it, but not yet. I can make a living off it. If I make a living off bloggers, I'll probably just earn like 500k before 400k a year. And I like expensive things. I don't want to earn that amount. That's why I have to like do extra work for my brand. So most of these bloggers now, when you see that they have to, and this is the reason why we don't create content like as rapidly as we like to. We don't have all the energy, because when you go to work and you're tired, you edit your videos and all that. It's just really tiring. I cannot survive on it. So I don't know, maybe eventually when we get recognized and people tend to want to work with us and pay us, then maybe we will be able to make a living. But for now, you can't make a living off blogging. It is public knowledge. We cannot make. If you're a lawyer, better stay being a lawyer and blog by the side. If you're a doctor, be a doctor, blog by the side. Whatever you're doing, be that and blog by the side. That's the only way. If not, you just give yourself unnecessary headache. And if you're waiting for all these people to call you, and I feel like it gives you more room to grow, because you're not thinking about money. You're just thinking about, okay, I'm going to blog, this is my hobby and this is what I want to do. But if it's the money and you don't have like another means to like put yourself together, you just lose your shit. Anyways, you guys, the camera literally messed up my outro. I thought it recorded, but it didn't. That's why I took out my contact and I don't have contact anymore. And I literally I'm recording this thing 1 hour after I recorded the first video. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video. And if you guys have like thoughts on like what bloggers go through in Nigeria, you can leave your comments below. And I think I'll make this into a series and just do like a whole rant on things that I do not like, or like on whatever like topic you guys want. So if you want me to turn this into like a series in my YouTube, you can just leave whatever topic you want me to talk about. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. Let me know other struggles bloggers face, and just regular life, what like struggles you guys face regular life trying to live here in Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, follow me on MySpace. I don't have my Facebook. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.